So good evening. I'm Jeffrey from EBS. Today, I would like to give you another talk about business continuity. Previously, I already have one video about this general concept of business continuity. Then today, we are still under this business continuity topic, but we'll be more detailed about how to achieve that. Generally, there are a few ways to enhance or increase the availability of your data and the process. Like, for example, data backup, offsite backup, in the disaster recovery. So, and the system, the HA, like the system, you must have a high availability. So this one to improve your availability. These are all tools or techniques to deliver the business continuity. Let's go through one by one. Just now I mentioned four, right? First one is the data backup. Means that whatever you do every day, you have data. Those data are active one, and you put all the data in the primary server so that all the user can access it. But you must do a backup every day, so the data will be put in another device, another hardware, or another place. So when the primary system is down or damaged, the data is damaged, you will have another copy in another device. So the second copy will not be damaged as well. So this is the we call it the system backup, data backup. So the backup, you have to back up your systems, software settings, and also the data. So this one is the most basic things that when you use data, you can use IT system. Then the second thing is the offsite backup. Offsite backup is you do a little bit more than your backup. Usually the backup we refer to local backup, means that you put in the same location, in the same office or same building. Then we talk about offsite backup. Offsite backup means that you are doing the backup, but you will park the backup data in another location, geographically in another place. So a different place. So when the primary site is compromised by maybe hacker, maybe fire, something, or even burglar at night come and steal all your things, you have another site. So this is the offsite backup. Then you make a copy every night or every hour or something. Then you put it in another place. So I think this is quite clear already. So far, the local backup and the offsite backup. Then now we go for the third one. The third one is called disaster recovery. The difference between the disaster recovery comparing to the offsite backup, this is very easy to differentiate. The disaster recovery, they actually provide backup plus one more thing, which is the computing power to run your system. Means that the data, the setting, the application can actually be used by the user directly from the second site, the backup site. It's not your primary site. Means from here, you can understand that the offsite backup, they do not have a computing power. They just park a passive copy of your data just to preserve your data. So when you have problem, you can take back the data, but you need to set up your things again from the other side. But the disaster recovery is different. They provide the computing power in our language. The IT guy, they will say the compute. So it's not only the storage, it's the compute plus the compute. So when some disaster, in the event of disaster, then the DR site, the disaster recovery site, will be able to be activated, and then all your user can use or connect there to do their work. So this is DR. So you see, this one level up, more functions. The last thing, the number 4, is about the HA of your server. Means that your server must be set up in a way that they are actually more resilient to any hardware failure or maybe operating system or any platform failure. People will actually, the basic concept is you need to have multiple or redundant systems, like the server, you have multiple server. Then there will be a group of servers, minimum about three or two or three at least. So they work as a group. And when one server is down, then the other server will take over. So the transition is very short time on. Means like the primary server down, the secondary server will be activated or automatically activated and take over the role, and all your data and your software can still operate. So there will be minimum downtime now. So this is the HA function for server at the server level. So today I cover this few concept lah. So there are 4 things I mentioned in today's talk lah. So I hope this will give you some ideas how to achieve this business continuity. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Hope it helps you.